Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor and welcome to Made with Unity Mondays for the 3rd of October 2022, where I feature some of the best games, creations and everything made in Unity, and be sure to check out all the links in the description for all the best savings across game dev, Unity and so much more. And be sure to check out my Patreon to get access to over 160 different scripts, assets and projects. So number 1, we've got Mobile Game Dev 2020 with his Brawler prototype. Next one we have Emperor's Ballsack, and you try saying that without laughing. And this, I don't even know what it is. Next one we've got Elva Marillion with liquid physics in augmented reality. Next one we've got Athelm Demont with a PIXELIZER gun. We've got a curious owl who's been testing sealed doors for his new space game. I thought I'd add this perfect one in from Wargoat Gaming, and that's exactly what I look like on a daily basis. Eva Balakova has got an absolutely beautiful Slavic folklore inspired game. Endrian REGZ has got Urge, an open world survival horror. The Friendly G has got a longer video of the editing process in creation mode of constructing all the city. Art and Game has got an optimized round planet volumetrics for clouds, lighting, shadowing and atmosphere. Ronin's Run Game has got all the slick moves in one. Radiant Games has got the subwoofer of Decimation. Neopeka has got some insane looking visual effects. Wallabat Ent has got the DOTS and ECS powered soft body physics game JELLYCAR Worlds. Ramez86 has released a ZELDA's TOON shader and recorded a tutorial if you want to learn too. Diok has got a game called Bloody Hell. Uplinked has got procedural structure building for the upcoming City and Kingdom Builder. Tantheus has got the Dreadlord Destruction. Eat Sleep Indie has got some recoil updates and some awesome attachments that you can add to your weapons with an insane looking UI. Ryan Machine released their ECS and DOTS HAVOK Marble World game directly on Steam. Mastermax 2000 has finally finished and released his first endless runner in Unity. And Limestone has got waving force fields. So be sure to check out all these awesome creations, check out all the links in the description for all the best game dev savings, tips, tools and everything you can find. Check out my Patreon to get access to over 165 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Check out all my great assets on my website, bonus discounts compared to what you'll find on my assets on the Unity store. Big thank you to all my patrons, including Peter Steiner, Raheem Whittaker, Gene Pommy, Manos Barracast, Terence Conrad, Walter Dunson, Rene Leisure, Topher Chambers, Alicia Faden, Daniel Getterjank, Ishikawa Takuya, Ron J. Hush, Thomas Merceleski, Callum Murray, Mark Rondu, A Beast Gaming, Marvin Church, Osame, Hoglan Naigan, and Nopakun. So thank you to everybody else who comes to watch the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.